If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 4 cos a by 2, cos b by 2 and cos c by 2. We have to prove this question. I took from conditional trigonometric identities, from where you will get 4 marks, one fixed question. So first of all, condition is given here, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So first of all, we have to take condition, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. After this, a plus b is equal to pi minus c, always same we have to do. And after this, we have to look at RHS. Either we have to multiply or we have to divide. So here is a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. It means we have to divide by 2 here. Here we have a, b and c only. So we have to divide by 2. A by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 you can write, or you can write 90. Pi means 180, 180 by 2 means 90 also you can write, or you can write pi by 2, same thing, c by 2. And after doing this much, you have to take sine both side and cos both side to find out the values of a plus b by 2. So taking sine both side, sine a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 minus c by 2. Taking sine both side, now we have to find out the value of sine a plus b by 2 or a by 2 plus b by 2, same thing. Now sine 90 means change or not change? 90 means change, we have to change. So sine, it will be converted in the form of cos. Now 90 minus c by 2, 90 minus theta, it means first quadrant. In first quadrant, all positive, sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec, everything positive in first quadrant. It means sine 90 minus c by 2 means cos c by 2. If negative, suppose if negative, then we have to write here minus. Suppose 90 plus c by 2 also second quadrant means sine positive, but if here cos and if here plus, we have to write here minus, because in second quadrant sine only positive, cos negative, so we have to write on minus. Okay, I will show you if negative how to do in coming videos. Now taking cos both side, cos a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. Same thing, 90 means change, convert sine cos in the form of sine, and 90 minus c by 2 means first quadrant all positive, so we can write here c by 2. After doing this conditions, we have to take LHS, and the LHS is sine A plus sine B plus sine C. Now we can use formula of sine C plus sine D, and the formula is 2 sine C plus D. It means a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. 2 sine C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus, now look at here, sine C, we have to use only one formula of sine C, 2 sine C by 2 cos C by 2. We have only one formula we have to use here. Cos formula we have to use 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square c by 2. But sine c formula we have to use only one, 2 sine c by 2 cos c by 2. So write down first sine c by 2. Next step you can write down this formula. 2, what is the value of here? Sine a plus b by 2, sine a plus b by 2. Look at here, sine a plus b by 2, and the value is cos c by 2. So we can write here cos c by 2. This one write on same, cos a minus b by 2 plus. Now look at here, here is cos c by 2. Either cos here or sine here, same thing. Cos c formula is 2 sine c by 2. Some multiple formula using here, cos c by 2. Either cos here or sine here, no problem, we can take common here. Now sine c by c formula is 2 sine c by 2 cos c by 2. Always we have to use this formula. Okay, now we have to take common, and the common is 2 cos c by 2. 2 cos c by 2 is common, so remaining is here cos a minus b by 2, cos a minus b by 2. 2 cos c by 2 is already common, so remaining sine c by 2. So we can write here plus sine c by 2. Now we have to put the values of sine c by 2. Cos c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus sine c by 2, and the value of sine c by 2 is cos a plus b by 2. So we can write here cos a plus b by 2. Okay, up to you? Hope you understand up to here. Now I will show you one formula. While I started part 4, I gave you one formula. You can see here 2 cos c by 2. Its one is very easy. Cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos a by 2 minus b by 2. While looking this one, you remember one formula, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. What is the formula of cos a plus b plus cos a minus b? While I started part 4 short question, before that I provided you few formulas. That time I gave you formula of cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Without using formula of cos c plus cos d, you can use another formula, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Formula is 2 cos a cos b. Hope you understand. Hope you remember that formula. If you don't know, please turn the page or part 4. You can see part 4 short question. When I started, I gave this formula, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Formula is 2 cos a cos b. Without using cos c plus cos d formula, we can use directly that formula. Or if you feel uncomfortable using this formula, you can use cos c plus cos d formula, which I done on previous video, 2 videos. Okay, I'm going to use cos c by 2, that formula which I gave in part 4. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Formula is 2 cos a cos b. It's easy to use here. Now completed. If you learn formula within one step over, otherwise you have to use cos c plus cos d formula and you have to do 1-2 step more. Now 2 into 2 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Hope you understand this. We have to prove cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2, which is here. RHS proved. Hope you understand this. Now again look at here once. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Formula is 2 cos a cos b. While I taught you part 4 short question, I gave you this formula. Have to remember, or you can turn your copies or book and you can check the formula. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Formula is 2 cos a cos b. Hope you understand this question.